This is one of the modern ways to get adrenaline. It's jumping on here. You don't know when it's gonna hit, but
be careful, he has so much energy. I barely escaped him.
I dropped it.
Jake, what?
So much water!
Jake! How did you drop it?
Landed on there as I was moving, and then it shot up. He's in the hot seat.
Hello, it is Friday, January 18th. Hey, it's me, Davis here. It's Friday, January the 18th. I'm currently steering the car. Your parents probably don't want to know that. But, yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to the lake. We're getting ready to film this whole video. It's going to be pretty wicked, you know?
Wicked.
Wicked.
Oh, I'm at 46 now. Yeah, you know.
23.
Well, I was at 18 when I plugged it in, so.
Ew, that shit is so weird. That is weird.
Late night, we're stuck in traffic, caught in traffic. We're in a taco truck. Yum.
Wicked wave.
Yeah, we're in traffic, as you can see. We're on our way to the lake before sunset. Sun. There's the sun. Yeah. Is he actually?
No way.
That was so stupid.
Bobby, copyright! Hanging on a shelf in good health and good time.
Incoming text message, like letting you prepare.
We are making a nature video for our school project. Right here is a tree. It is showing prime example of the harshness of global warming, where the ice has melted and melted once this tree was on land, but now it is fully up, just floating above water. Some say that is mythic, but no, that it's just tree on dirt.
This is clam. Used to be in water, but people ate clam. I don't know.
God, what do we have here? Check that out, dude. It's from a wild asparagus, dude. These birds, they're rare, I tell you, man. We gotta get off these water rocks, bro, before they go under. Tides here are strong. Here you've got an ancient seabird, and this is its feather. This is a really great finding because seabirds normally are by the sea, and this was by water rock.
Grass tree used to be a bunch of grass till it decided to become a tree.
Alright, Bobby, I got one.
Oh my god. That was a really bad idea.
Be careful. These are prickly guys right here. Yeah, make sure you get. Yeah, let me clean it off a little bit. These are what is known by the common name as gumballs, but their true name are spiky balls, and they fall from trees like this one here, which also provide oxygen. But these are spiked so that when people step on them, or predators do, they hurt and don't eat the tree. Truly magical. see this tree here. These guys, they thrive in the winter in the cold things. And you look, it's brown, it looks dead, but actually, if I were to open it up, which I might, just for this example here, you see all that green in there. That's just living stuff. I mean, it's truly beautiful. When most of your trees, such as this one, are just dead and covered with fungus, this guy's out here, part of the same tree that's dead, but it doesn't matter because this part of the tree's alive, and so it's this plant. Dude, so pointy.
So this dumpster right here, it's known for cleaning the earth and the environment. So if you put things in a dumpster, then it should cure most of the earth, because trash only, that means that trash is bad. And if you want to clean the earth, you gotta dispose of trash.
Ow! Ow! See what the wild trees can do to people. He thinks the pain was on the legs, but actually he stepped straight in that puddle. And you can tell he did that by the wet footprints over here and still over there. It was all a prank, you see. I'm just waking up the young fellows. They definitely slept in. I'm not hearing much chirping, but up there.
No.
Clear the puddle. This one, this young palm tree here is yellow, but that one right there is green. I'm gonna take off my shoes so I be careful not to spook them. They are very aware of the surroundings. They have 360 visuals, so it's very careful. You're getting that 1% that can't see before you spook them. These are actually very lovely birds, very friendly ones. The black one is, and the white one are probably different genders. I honestly don't know. That was really loud. But look, see, they are completely unsatisfied with my coming up here. But see, all I'm doing is simply flocking them over to you for the better camera shot. It's nature 101 video, really. Oh, they're bloody small, I'll tell you. Oh, be careful not to spook them now. Silly. Don't be silly. One of nature's wonders, truly. Well, what do we have here? Well, you check that little guy out. That right there is one of our natural guys. It explodes every now and then. They're truly unpredictable. Wow, will you look at what we have here? Jeez. Oh my god. These things are very common out here, actually. It's really just finding a rich enough neighborhood to find them. Oh my god, there it goes again. I might want to back up. Those things can be dangerous. Here we have a geyser, a water geyser actually. Yeah, and now down in Texas, so they're like steamish. I know in the Yellowstone International Park, they have quite a few, but here, these are quite wonderful to see. I mean, just look at it go. God, aren't they magnificent? All right, well we better leave this guy alone. Let him have his good day. Hey.
All right, guys. This is my first time operating the camera. I think it's going good so far. Look at this. Look at this view.
Such a nice view. The lake.
It's really nice. Oh.